Get the worksheet used in this lesson, as well as hundreds of others, at Mathcation.com. This video is about the power of a power rule for exponents. You can get the worksheet we use in this video for free by clicking on the link in the description below. The first problem we're going to work on our power of a power rule worksheet is number 2. This problem gives us 8 to the 8th raised to the 4th power. In order to simplify this problem, you have to take the exponent that is on the outside of the parentheses and distribute it to every exponent that is on the inside of the parentheses. Now in the case of this example, this is like saying we have 4 8 to the 8th powers. So if we were to rewrite this, we would rewrite it 8 to the 8th times itself 4 times. So we have our 8 to the 8th written out, and we wrote it out 4 times because it is being raised to the exponent of 4. You should remember from the product rule for exponents that whenever you multiply exponential terms, you keep the base the same and you add the exponents. So if we look at this problem, we will keep the base of 8, and then we're going to add all of the exponents together. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. So our answer would be 8 to the 32nd power. Now there is a shortcut for solving this that you can do by skipping this middle step here. If you look at our original problem, we have 8 to the 8th raised to the 4th power. If you look at our answer, 8 to the 32nd power, you might notice that if we had multiplied 8 times 4, we could get 32 instead of having to write it out and add the exponents together. And the shortcut for the power of power rule for exponents is to do just that. It is to multiply. So in the case of this problem, 8 to the 8th with raised to the 4th power, you can do 8 to the 8 times 4, which would be 8 to the 32nd power. And that's the same answer we got in our first step. Now that we know the shortcut for the power of the power rule, we can go ahead and do a couple other practice problems. In the case of this problem, we have x to the 6th raised to the 3rd power. Now I told you anytime you have a parenthesis in between two exponents, that means you're going to multiply the exponents. So this is like saying x to the 6th times 3, which would be x to the 18th power. And that's going to be your answer. So the last problem we're going to go over gives us negative exponents. So we have 4 to the negative 2nd raised to the negative 2nd power. We already learned that anytime that there is a parenthesis in between two exponents, that means to multiply. We're going to keep the rule the same. So even though we have negative exponents, we're still going to multiply the two exponents together. Now the only trick when you have negative exponents is that you must include the negative when you multiply the exponents together. So we will do negative 2 times negative 2. And when we do negative 2 times negative 2, you will get a positive 4. So the solution is 4 to the positive 4th power. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to our channel, or check out our website for more premium math content. Thanks for watching.